Hey everybody, it's Jerry, and this is my official verdict on the Pathfinder Canteen kit. You know, I went camping. I went camping for 6 days. First 3 days rained every single day, almost all day long, and then the next 3 days. It was great except for the wind. The wind blew like crazy. First 3 days we went to Hungry Mother State Park in Marion, Virginia. And the second 3 days we went to a camp spot called Cedar Branch here in West Virginia. And I used this canteen, this whole canteen kit, I used it every single day. At least 3 times every single day, sometimes 4. Well, I love it. I absolutely love it. I love everything about it except the pouch. The pouch sucks. The pouch is not worth shit. It's a flimsy ass pouch. If I would have been in like a real survivor situation and out in the mountains trying to get away from the bad guys or whatever scenario you want to put yourself in, I would have lost this because of these straps. These straps are flimsy as hell. I dropped it twice and I wasn't even, it was attached to my pack. It is attached here to my pack, and I lost it, or I didn't lose it, but I dropped it twice, and I wasn't in no brush or nothing. It was just picking it up to carry it to a different spot and set it down, and the thing fell off. It just fell off. The snaps suck ass. They're not worth shit, and it's just flimsy. It's a flimsy little pouch. I wish I had a different pouch for this thing, because if it had like a heavy duty pouch, it would be great. The canteen is amazing. I mean, you can boil your water in it. It's stainless steel, single wall, so you can boil your water. It has the lid. Sits perfectly in there. I mean, it's a great lid. No complaints whatsoever about any of this kit except for the pouch. I got my cup with the handle. The handle's good, heavy duty. A lot of people said how this is like a third leg, like it may be a kickstand to help hold your cup up while you're cooking in it or just boiling water. I thought, yeah, well, oh well, I don't need something like that, but it is great. It is absolutely great. I have no complaints. The stove, I didn't use wood to cook in. I used gas. Worked perfectly. I mean, it was awesome. It is just completely awesome. I have no complaints. I would highly recommend the Pathfinder Canteen kit to anybody, but I would also recommend if you get it, you find a different type of pouch to put it in. It would be good and all if it was just a little more heavy duty. It's really thin. The sewing is pathetic. I mean, you can see how loose the thread is on here. 2 little pouches. I got a few coffees left in this one, and this one I have a ferro rod and a tiny little fire tin. It's a fire kit actually. I got some fat wood and different things in there. But that's it. I would highly recommend it. Highly recommend the Pathfinder Canteen kit, except for the pouch. The pouch sucks. The pouch sucks ass. It sucks real bad, and just be very careful if you actually use it, because you'll probably lose it. You'll probably most definitely you'll lose it if it's like mine. You'll lose it. I'd love to find a different one. If any of you guys have a different pouch that this would fit in, more heavy duty than one of these, and you want to get rid of it, give me a holler, because I damn sure would love to have one. Anyway, that's it. It's highly recommended. You know, I got this thing for 11 bucks, the whole kit for 11 bucks. Right down the road at there's a little store. It's called the Survivor Shop, or Survival Supply. Survival Supply, that's what it's called, here in Princeton, West Virginia. Right in the middle of Princeton, West Virginia. Survival Supply. I got this for 11 bucks. It was the last one they had. I would have damn sure got more, but it was the last one. I don't know if they're going to have any more. I don't know why it was only 11 bucks. Maybe just a mistake or something. But I got it for 11 bucks. And I love it. I absolutely love it, except for the pouch. But anyway, I'm out of here. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time around.